So a flagship product from KZ just debuted today and it is looking good. It's the new ASX20 BA set from them. They have been teasing this on their page for a while now, and it's now official. It is priced at $100 US. It is looking quite nice, very fine in design. You can buy it either without the microphone or with the mic. The impedance on this is 20 ohms. Sensitivity is 106 decibel. Frequency response is from 10 hertz to 40 kilohertz. The connector on it is the 3.5 millimeter. It has a 2-pin interface. It is 10 balanced armature on each side of the ears, and the difference between this and the AS16 from last year is that the balanced armature on this particular model is an upgraded balanced armature. It's not it's actually not the more premium Sonian or Knowles balanced armature yet, because KZ hasn't really signed. So KZ upgraded not all the balanced armatures in it, but the balanced armature for the mids. You're getting decent upgrades, and they really built this well, like, because at least on their page they've been hyping this new model to give you a really good response. The only problem I have with KZ right from time is their harsh sounding nature of their IEMs. They always put the BAs in the nozzle. It is very metallic in sound, and I'm not really a fan of metallic sound, but they are very, very detailed the way they always sound, especially if you're looking for clean sound. A little bit metallic, a little bit thin in the mids, and shouty in the upper mids. But KZ has always been known for that. Now they are trying to address that harsh mids, thin mids with their new balanced armature and newer crossover response for their balanced armature to give you better bass, smoother mids, and rolled off highs. They don't want it to be peaky this time around. Now the specs is what it is on paper, but tuning is another thing. You understand? A lot of manufacturers claim that they tune their stuff to present sound in a manner that at the end of the day, and when a lot of people get their hands on it, it may not really be what they are looking for. So the new balance armatures in this, it looks to be what helps it come out of that KZ, I'll call it shouty sound that they put in all their IEMs. They're always making their IEMs too bright. But I think this new model is very good for anybody that really wants high class detail, great sound, and a very well rounded detailed sound without shouts and annoying spikes in your treble and your mids. So if you are looking for this, it is now available. It's now on sale. It is priced at $100. It's reasonable. It's not bad. It is going to suit a lot of audiophiles that love BAs. There is no dynamic driver on this, so a lot of people will be like, oh, it may not produce bass, but with 10 balanced armatures, it will produce a decent amount of bass. Remember the Fiio, if I'm not mistaken, this product from I'm trying to think, this product from JadeAudio, I think their Legacy 14, if I'm not mistaken, is it Legacy 14 or Voyager 14? I think their Voyager 14 had about 14 BAs in it and had crazy bass that rivaled many dynamic driver sets out there. So you could actually see a case here where you would love the bass on this, because it will be very good, and the shell design is very unique and much more futuristic now. It looks a lot better than what it used to be. So they've really upgraded this design. They've really upgraded the design, and they're actually making this to be a better flagship than their AS16, and at a price of $100, I don't think it is too bad in terms of the price that I'm seeing for it, and it comes with a mic if you want to buy it with a mic option. So that is it. I'm definitely going to leave a link, so if you are interested to pick it up, you can go ahead and pick it up. It's now available. It's selling for $100, and you can check out for more deals and discounts, because discounts are now available for it. Be sure to follow our social media, subscribe to our channel, like our content, and I'll see you guys next time.